But it's great to be here today to cut the sod on what will be the Aberdare campus of Coleg at Cymoedd. It's been our pleasure to be able to put £11 million into the project. And of course, what's important about it is that it brings education to the community. We know that the old building isn't fit for purpose anymore. We want our young people to be able to learn in facilities that are right for them, facilities they deserve. I know about, I think it's 811 full-timers will be on campus, 450 part-timers, enjoying the right kind of facilities and atmosphere that the young people of Aberdare and the surrounding area actually need and deserve. What's also impressive about it is that it's so close to public transport as well, of course. It's close to the new school, which I opened before Christmas. And it's great to see this part of Aberdare being regenerated, because we know that education is not just a great way of helping people to learn, to study, to get the skills that they need, but education provides jobs. It provides employment. It helps to regenerate areas like Aberdare, like Vale, not too far away to the east. So I'm looking forward, depending on the result of the election in May, to coming back in 2017 next year to see the new building, to see it in all its glory, to be inside it rather than coasting on the bus. And I just want to congratulate all those who've had the vision to make sure that today comes about, because when that building is built next year, it'll be because of the collective effort of so many people, whether it's RCT Council, whether it's the college, whether it's Welsh Government, all those involved in the architecture and the building of the new building. All those people have to come together in a project like this. So today is the first day of that project, and we know that by next year this town and the surrounding area will have a campus that everybody will be proud of. Thanks very much.